Codeium versus Copilot versus Cursor. Which AI coder wins? AI coding assistants are transforming the way developers write software, promise to give you a serious productivity boost. But the big question is, which AI coder really wins? Stick around as we break down the features, strengths, weaknesses, and real-world use cases so you can decide which one deserves a spot in your workflow. So let's start with Codeium. Codeium is an AI-driven coding assistant focused heavily on test generation and code quality assurance. Instead of just helping you write code, it is designed to help you validate and verify code correctness, offering auto-generated unit tests and smart insights to ensure your programs don't just run, but run reliably. Its tight focus on testing makes it unique in the AI coding space, since most competitors focus on speed over quality. Codeium integrates with popular IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains, making it accessible for developers across different ecosystems for teams prioritizing robust and bug-free code. Codeium positions itself as more than just a helper, it's a guardian of software quality. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex models, is arguably the most famous AI coding assistant on the market. It works like an autocomplete on steroids, suggesting entire lines, functions, or even boilerplate files as you type. Its real strength comes from its massive training data. GitHub's vast code repositories, which allow it to make contextually aware predictions across a wide variety of programming languages. Copilot integrates deeply with VS Code and GitHub, making it a natural fit for developers already in that ecosystem. With its balance of speed, versatility, and constant updates, Copilot remains an industry benchmark for day-to-day AI assisted coding. Cursor is a relatively new player in the AI coding space, but is quickly winning attention thanks to its deep integration with large language models like GPT-4 and Claude. Unlike Copilot, Cursor isn't just an autocomplete tool, it's built to act like a pair programmer, letting you chat directly with your codebase, refactor large sections, and generate explanations that go far beyond snippets. Cursor also emphasizes customization, giving developers more control over how the AI responds to prompts, which is especially useful for more complex projects. With its blend of interactive collaboration and flexible AI driven workflows, Cursor is pushing the boundary of what coding assistants do. And now for the feature comparisons. In terms of main focus, Codeium is focused on testing and code quality. Copilot has fast code generation, and Cursor is focused on interactive AI pair programming. For integration, Codeium is integrated with JetBrains and VS Code, Copilot with VS Code and GitHub, and Cursor with custom IDEs and VS Code. In terms of language covering, Copilot wins here as it is extremely wide. Codeium and Cursor are wide too. For the AI models, Copilot is based on Codex by OpenAI, Cursor on GPT-4 and Claude, and Codeium is proprietary with LLM support. Codeium is best for teams with QA-heavy workflows, Copilot for everyday coding speed, and Cursor for complex projects and explanations. For ease of use, Copilot wins here, as it is very high in terms of ease of use. Codeium is medium, while Cursor is medium-high. In terms of customization, Cursor wins here. Codeium and Copilot have low customizations. In terms of community size, GitHub Copilot wins as it has a huge community. Codeium is small but growing, and Cursor's is medium but expanding. Now for the pros and cons. For Codeium, its pros included having a strong test focus. Codeium shines in generating meaningful unit tests automatically, saving developers hours of manual effort. This ensures a higher level of code reliability compared to generic assistants. It's great for teams. It's designed with collaborative environments in mind, helping enforce code quality standards across projects. This is particularly valuable in enterprise level workflows. It supports popular IDEs, works seamlessly with JetBrains and VS Code, so developers don't need to change their existing setup. The integration feels smooth and natural with familiar environments. However, it's not a full autocomplete tool. Codeium doesn't focus on writing entire functions or projects, so it may feel limited compared to Copilot or Cursor. It's more of a supplement than a full replacement. It has a smaller community. Since it's newer, resources, plugins, and third party tutorials are more limited. Developers might struggle to find as much community support. Niche appeal. Its heavy focus on testing may not appeal to solo developers who just want faster coding. For those users, it might feel like overkill. And now for GitHub Copilot. Its pros included having massive code knowledge. Copilot benefits from GitHub's extensive code repositories, giving it unmatched versatility across languages. This makes it reliable for everything from Python scripts to niche frameworks, fast and contextual. Suggestions pop up instantly and often match exactly what the developer had in mind. This speed is critical for maintaining flow while coding. It has constant updates. Backed by Microsoft and OpenAI, Copilot receives frequent improvements, ensuring it stays ahead of competitors in terms of raw capability. However, it has occasional inaccuracies. Copilot can produce inaccurate or outdated code, requiring careful review by the developer. It's not always trustworthy for production ready code. Subscription costs. Unlike some alternatives, Copilot is a paid service with no free version beyond trials. This can be a barrier for students or hobbyists. Less customization. Copilot focuses on speed and simplicity, but it offers fewer options to fine tune responses compared to Cursor. Advanced users might find it restrictive. And now for Cursor. Its pros included having interactive pair programming. Cursor's chat based workflow makes it feel more like coding with a human partner. You can ask the AI to explain, refactor, or restructure complex code. It has strong customization options. Developers can adjust model settings and prompts to suit their workflow. This flexibility is especially powerful for advanced projects. It has cutting edge AI models. Cursor leverages GPT-4 and Claude, giving it access to some of the most advanced reasoning capabilities in the market. This means better accuracy for complex tasks. However, it has a newer ecosystem. As a younger tool, Cursor doesn't yet have the same ecosystem maturity as Copilot. Features are evolving, but stability may vary. It has hardware and connectivity needs. Cursor's reliance on large models can make it heavier on system resources, and it needs a reliable internet connection. Offline use is limited. Here's a steep learning curve. While powerful, its unique workflows may feel overwhelming at first. Users coming from Copilot's simplicity may need time to adapt. And now for the real world scenarios. For scenario 1, enterprise team development, Codeium is best fit when code reliability and automated testing matter most. QA teams and enterprises benefit from its strict quality focus. For scenario 2, everyday coding and rapid prototyping, Copilot shines here, letting individual developers and startups push out features quickly with minimal friction. And finally, for scenario 3, complex legacy code base, Cursor is the winner when you need to refactor or understand messy old code. Its conversational interface helps developers explore codebases more intuitively. So, which AI coder actually wins? The answer depends on your priorities. Choose Codeium if your focus is quality and testing, especially for enterprise projects where bug-free code is mission critical. Choose GitHub Copilot if you want the fastest, most convenient coding assistant that covers the widest range of languages and frameworks. And finally, choose Cursor if you're looking for a smarter, more interactive AI partner that can help tackle complex code bases and give you detailed insights. For many developers, the best choice might actually be a combination. You could use Copilot for everyday coding speed and pair it with Codeium for generating tests, while Cursor becomes your go-to for in-depth refactoring and explanations. At the end of the day, the real winner is whichever tool helps you write better code faster. That's been an honest comparison between Codeium, GitHub Copilot, and Cursor. Which AI coding tool are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.